Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a WhatsApp AI agent in Python. By the end of this video, you'll have a WhatsApp AI agent for booking confirmations that your Python application can trigger over HTTP. The moment a guest books a room, your system will trigger the AI agent to automatically send a WhatsApp confirmation message to the guest. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered WhatsApp AI agent that sends booking confirmations to guests right after they reserve a room. Let's include the hotel name, room type, check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and booking ID. Let's add that it should also share the check-in time, the address of the property, and resolve any queries that the guest may have. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your WhatsApp agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever the trigger condition occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Python. Plivo generates a ready-made Python snippet that already includes the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and the payload fields you just defined. Use this snippet as a standalone Python script or from within your Python application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a user completes their booking. Now let's test it locally. Create a new file, paste the Python snippet into it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your WhatsApp AI agent. And the guest automatically receives a WhatsApp message.
Hi, could you please let me know if airport pickup can be arranged for both of us?
Sure. Your request is noted. We will share the cab details with you shortly.
And that's it. Your WhatsApp AI agent for booking confirmations is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Python code calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and send the WhatsApp confirmation automatically.